Mastering cooking terms in English. Fry on medium heat, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you improve your skills. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in cooking recipes or cooking shows. Fry on medium heat. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about bridging the gap between language learning and real-life applications. So, let's get started and make your journey in learning English as flavorful as your dishes. Fry on medium heat is a cooking instruction you'll often find in recipes. It's composed of three main parts. Fry. This refers to cooking food in hot oil or fat. It's a method that gives the food a crispy texture and golden color. On. This preposition indicates the condition or the state that should be maintained while cooking. Medium heat. This part describes the temperature setting on your stove or cooking device. It's between low heat and high heat, providing enough energy to cook the food thoroughly without burning it quickly. When you put it all together, fry on medium heat instructs you to cook food in hot oil at a temperature that's not too low, so the food cooks through, and not too high, to avoid burning. Cooking on medium heat is crucial for several reasons. Even cooking. It allows the food to cook evenly, ensuring that the inside gets fully cooked while the outside doesn't burn. Flavor development. Medium heat helps in better flavor development. It gives time for the food to get infused with spices and herbs if any are used. Safety. It reduces the risk of oil splattering, which can happen at high temperatures, making it a safer cooking method. Understanding the importance of temperature control in cooking can greatly enhance your culinary skills and help you avoid common cooking mistakes. For those of you who are non-native English speakers, here are a few tips to remember this phrase. Visualize the process. Think of the phrase in the context of cooking your favorite dish that requires frying. Visualizing the process can help cement the phrase in your memory. Practice with recipes. Try following English recipes that use this phrase. Practical application is a great way to learn language and cooking skills simultaneously. Use it in daily conversations. Incorporate this phrase into your daily conversations, maybe while discussing food or cooking with friends. It's a great way to practice and retain what you've learned. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of the phrase, fry on medium heat, in cooking and English language learning. Remember, cooking terms can add a delicious layer to your vocabulary, making your learning journey not just informative but also enjoyable. Keep practicing, keep cooking, and most importantly, keep learning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.